Hey guys, welcome back once again to Hugo House. Today we are gonna talk about this Serenity Log Cabin kit that starts at $21,000. The Serenity Cabin Building Kit is a 14-foot by 20-foot cabin building package that's surprisingly spacious at 280 square feet. The Serenity Log Cabin building offers a private bedroom, a living area, and bathroom. The sink for the wood cabin is in the bedroom while the shower and the toilet are in the bathroom. There's an optional kitchenette available. There's plenty of room in this small wood cabin to relax on the covered front porch with a cup of tea or good book. The Serenity Cabin building is one of the most popular cabin kits you'll find from Conestoga Log Cabins. One of the things you'll have to think about with a wood cabin kit is where you want to build it. Planning your dream vacation cabin building will require you to have a site to build. The building site is not only the place you'll build your dream cabin building, but also the location where you'll be spending a lot of time. You want to think about all the things that matter to you. You want to consider your favorite pastimes and interests, as you want to be in a region that's close to the activities you enjoy. Whether those activities include skiing, fishing, hiking, or hunting, with your hobbies as your guide, you can seek out pieces of land along the shore, in the mountains, or in the lake. You want to weigh out all your options. When it comes to the price of your perfect piece of land, it's no secret that resort locations are going to cost more. A resort location may cost 3 to 4 times to build in that locations that are less touristy. Property costs depend on supply and demand. Big demand for a small piece of land equals sky-high price tags. If your dream log house is close to resort life and you can't afford it, then you should consider this option. Resort locations make fantastic and convenient places to live in. However, building outside of a resort location can save you a lot of money. And by not having to subscribe to so many building guidelines, you'll likely have more options when it comes to the size and the design of your log house outside of a resort area. Whether you build in a luxury resort location or on a private piece of land, rarely is there such a thing as the perfect piece of land. But more often than not, you'll find a piece of land that will speak to you. When that's the case, it's the one. The Serenity Cabin Building Kit comes from Conestoga Log Cabins. These log cabin builders offer many cabin kits for sale and small house cottage plans too. For slightly larger cabin buildings, you might consider the Outdoorsman, the Bear Creek, or the Boulder Lodge cabin building kits. As with all of their log cabin building, the Serenity Residential Log Cabin Kit is completely customizable to suit your lifestyle and needs. And so if you like this video, don't forget to consider dropping us a like. It really helps this channel to grow. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to our channel. We'll be featuring new homes every day, from log homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and other inspiring home ideas. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.